Dream Train. In the charming town of Cozyville, where bedtime stories were woven into the quilted sky, lived a little bear named Benny. Benny's bedtime routine involved a special journey, the sleepytime train. Each night, Benny's bed transformed into a cozy train, and a friendly conductor owl named Whiskerville greeted him. The train chugged through fields of starry flowers and over the bridges of moonbeams. As Benny peered out of the train window, he saw bedtime creatures, snoozing squirrels, drowsy deer, and even a bedtime bunny. The conductor owl whispered stories that painted the sky with hues of dreams. When the sleepytime train reached its final station, Benny's room, Whiskerville gently tucked him in. The train then transformed back into Benny's cozy bed, and Benny drifted into a peaceful slumber, carried away by the magical tales of the sleepytime train.